Hello student, today I'm going to derive an expression for law of signs for the direction of resultant vector using parallelogram law vector addition. Now you see the diagram. This is the parallelogram. AB and AD represent the two vectors P and Q making an angle theta as shown in figure. Then according to parallelogram law of vector addition, the resultant of P and Q is represented in magnitude and direction by the AC. So resultant vector, if R is the resultant vector, R equal to P plus Q. To find the relations of law of sign for the direction of resultant vector, we have to do construction, that is from point C, CE is drawn perpendicular to AB and BN is drawn perpendicular to AC. So CE is perpendicular to AB and BN is perpendicular to AC are drawn. Now from triangle ACE or AEC, triangle AEC, we have, so with respect to beta, C is perpendicular, A is base and AC is hypotenuse. So CE by hypotenuse is AC equal to sine of beta, perpendicular hypotenuse sine beta. So CE equal to AC sine beta, but AC is R, resultant vector R. Therefore, C equal to R sine of beta. Also, this is equation number 1. Also from triangle CEB, we have, with respect to theta, C is perpendicular, BE base and BC hypotenuse. So C by BC perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine of theta. So CE BC sine of theta. So BC equal to is Q vector, Q magnitude Q. So C equal to BC is Q sine of theta. So from equation, C is R sine beta and C equal to Q sine theta. So from equation 1 and 2, we have R sine of beta equal to Q sine of theta. So R by sine theta bring a left side, so R by sine theta equal to Q by sine beta. Equation number 3. Similarly, now we'll take triangle ABN or A and B and C and B. So this both the triangles B and B common. So again we will take the ratio of side now with respect to beta and alpha. Let's do. Similarly, from triangle A and B, we have BN by AB equal to sine of beta. You see that diagram, Bn with respect to beta, Bn is perpendicular and An is Bn is perpendicular, AB is hypotenuse, An is base. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. So Bn by AB. Bn by AB equals sine beta. So Bn equal to AB sine of beta. Again AB is equal to P vector. So Bn equal to P sine of beta. Equation number 4. Also from triangle BNC we have BNC. So Bn by BC equal to sine of alpha. Again you see diagram, Bn with respect to alpha, Bn is perpendicular, BC is hypotenuse and C base. So sine, we are taking sine ratio, so sine angle perpendicular by hypotenuse. So Bn by BC. So Bn equal to BC sine of alpha. So Bn, BC is BC is Q. So Q sine of alpha. Equation number 5. So now you see here Bn equal to P sine alpha. Here Bn equal to Q sine alpha. So Bn equal to P sine beta. Bn equal to P sine beta and Bn equal to Q sine alpha. So from equation 4 and 5 we have from equation 4 and 5 we have P sine of beta equal to Q sine of alpha. Again P by sine alpha being left side, P by sine alpha equal to Q by sine beta. Equation number 6. Now see equation number 3. Equation number 3 is R by sine theta equal to Q by sine beta. So Q by sine beta equal we can write. Therefore from equation 3 and 6 we have P by sine alpha equal to Q by sine beta equal to, so here again you see Q by sine beta from equation 3 equal to R by sine alpha. So Q by sine beta we can write R by sine theta. R by sine of theta. Okay. Therefore R by sine theta equal to P by sine alpha equal to Q by sine beta. So this equation or this relation is known as the law of sine. Thank you.